We have Miss Rivera. She bought 2 bags of bananas at H-E-B. Each bag weighed 4/10. How many pounds did Miss Rivera get? You should put on your paper that we have 2 groups of 4/10. We have 2 groups of 4/10. And we already established that this is my hundredths grid. How can I represent, do not blurt out, how can I represent 4/10 on my hundredths grid? Bearcat, how can I represent 4/10 on my hundredths grid? I'm sorry? I didn't finish anything in. How can I represent 4/10 on my hundredths grid? Malachi? What? How can I represent, yes, that is the answer, but how can I represent 4/10 on my hundredths grid? Shade in how many tenths?
4.
Shade in 4/10. Please go ahead and shade in 4/10. But this is only representing one group of 4/10. And my problem told me I needed how many? I needed 2 groups of 4/10. So I'm going to go ahead and shade in another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead and shade in another 4/10. So that gives me 2 groups of 4/10. Do not blurt out. How many tenths do I have now? Take a second to think about it. Ethan. I have what? I have 8 tenths. Very good. So, 2 groups of 4/10 gives me 8 tenths. Am I putting together equal sets or finding part of a whole? Do not blurt out. Kiana. Perfect. I'm putting together equal sets. Is there another way I can represent this problem? If I shaded in 4/10 and 4/10, can I add 4/10 and 4/10?
Yes.
Okay. Is repeated addition the same as multiplication?
Yes.
Yes. Repeated addition is multiplication.
You're just repeating it.
Can I represent it as 4/10 plus 4/10 gives me 8/10? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Can I write it as, we know how to multiply fractions, 2 groups of 4/10, which would give me 8/10? Sure, I can do that too.